and I count for more of your support. I want to sincerely appeal for you to be professional and abide by the ethics of the profession. It's very, very key going forward. And also remain united, promote peace and love among yourselves.
Said that the present economic situation in the country requires sourcing of men and women who have track record of performance, irrespective of political parties, ethnic background, and religious inclination. Most times, Nigerians focus more on government at the center with great expectations, forgetting that if the state and local governments effectively deliver on their mandates, the federal government will have less work to do. It is on this note that we charge you to initiate a move that will take the state out of the usual rhetoric of making promises that will never be fulfilled. Embark on programs and policies that will usher in massive investment for the industrialization of our dear state to engage our mass unemployed youths. Create the enabling environment that will attract investors and invest in the abundant resources that abound in our dear state.